Hey everyone, my name is Chris Carrero. I am with University of Florida, Pasco County Extension, Community Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about floating bed hydroponics. So this is part of a project that is going into one of our new gardens in Pasco County called Shady Hills or L.C. Logan Memorial Park. And we wanted to have something different and new in there, so we decided on doing hydroponics. Now normally the beds for these type of floating beds are normally built on the ground, but I wanted something a little bit smaller scale, and I wanted something that could come off the ground so it would be easy to access and easy to maintain. So come on over, let's get a closer look and I'll show you what's going on. So for this project, I just made them a convenient size. I didn't want to go too big at first, so these are 24 inches by 72 inches, so 2 by 6. I used pressure treated 2 by 10 material, and I used a heavy duty steel frame that we constructed. It was welded together, and a lot of work went into just the boxes and the frames. It doesn't look like it, but it is a lot of work. So the metal frame carries the box, and what will go in the bottom is a sheet of pressure treated plywood, and then we're going to put our 6 mil plastic in to carry our nutrient solution. Now your nutrient solution for hydroponics in this particular case is basically fertilizer with micronutrients in a liquid form, like a pool. Like if you can imagine a pool at your house, filling this full of water with fertilizer, and then the floating beds go on top and the plants go in. So let's shift this way and we'll see how that works. So over here we have the same thing going on. We have our boxes, and for the sake of instruction, let's just assume that we have our 6 mil plastic in there and our water or our nutrient solution. So the next step is we take our foam board, and in this particular case, this is 2-inch foam board. It's a little big, but it's gonna work. Sometimes you have to go with what's locally available and then kind of adjust the size of the hole to fit the net cup correctly to stick through as far as it needs to be, which is about 1/8 of an inch. So in this case, I had 2.5 inch hole saw to cut the hole in the foam and a 3-inch net cup, and it fits pretty much perfect to leave that 1/8 of an inch sticking out of the bottom of the foam into the nutrient solution. So that's what the completed project looks like, and I have a better example for you. Let me grab it. Okay, so this is a net cup, and I just put some Hydroton in here, and this is just clay pellets. Okay, and a lot of people use this for a variety of different horticultural needs. In this case, I took a cutting of a plant. This is Brazilian spinach, and I put the Hydroton in there, and I put it in a jar, like a wide mouth jar, just to kind of grow it. And you can see, can we get that? Can everybody see that? Those are the roots. The cuttings started to root, and they came through the net cup, and this is exactly how this is going to work. So we've got our nutrient solution. Our plants are going to go in, which they're already going to have roots like lettuce or something like that. And in my case, the purpose of this Hydroton or these pellets is to kind of support that plant that's in there when they're little. So this would go in here, and that's it. So you can imagine maybe if we did some lettuce on this side, maybe we did some strawberries on this side. I think it's going to be fun. It's going to be educational. People are going to have a good time with it. And at the end of the day, they're going to take knowledge away from this. They're going to learn what hydroponics is, how it works, and they're going to learn about plants and how they grow and what will grow in here and what won't. It's a trial and error type of thing. So on that note, I just want to say thank you for checking us out and watching this video today, and I'll see you next time when we talk about something new.